I'm Kate, and I work for Majestic Wine in Muswell Hill. Today's an amazing day. It's very exciting. We closed for an enormous refit on New Year's Eve last year, so we've not been here now for the best part of 8 weeks. So it's a really big day. It's a really massive relaunch, and we're just all really excited. We're going to have a cheese and wine matching session. Just thought we'd do something a bit more interesting, but off the wall. We've got a really great cheese shop just up the road, so we thought maybe get a few different styles of cheeses together and open some reds, some whites, some dessert wine, get the team involved and do some different sort of food and wine matching. Thank you. Okay guys, so what we've got here is a selection of both white and red wines. Okay, so we're going to start with the Chateau de Sancerre, which is obviously from Sancerre in the Loire Valley. It's full of limey, citrusy, gooseberry aromas.
Very fresh.
Very fresh, isn't it? Very fresh. Should we try this first with a little bit of the Valençay, which is the goat's cheese? Oh, that's lovely. That really improves the wine, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's beautifully, with the ashen-covered goat's cheese works really well with the minerality.
Yeah.
Really accentuates both.
Yeah, it definitely works, I think. Okay, we're going to move on to the Montes Alpha Chardonnay here, Casablanca Valley in Chile.
So we get quite lots, apple on the nose.
With the cheddar.
For me, that doesn't work quite so well.
The cheddar is really quite a rich cheese, and this is quite a rich wine.
Yeah.
We're going to move on to dessert wine now.
Fantastic.
This is Clos de Vigne. Saussignac, a little appellation. This could be quite an interesting combination here, because obviously, being a pudding wine, this has a very high residual sugar content, so it's a real sweetie. I think we're going to find this is a rich, concentrated apricots. Gorgeous. What about a bit of Roquefort?
This one's been my favourite cheese so far.
It has mine, yeah. It's very strong, very pungent, isn't it? Quite salty. That's amazing. Okay, let's move on now to a Bordeaux. Chateau La Chesnay. It's a blend of Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot. Bit of brie?
Let's try it, yeah. There's a real bitterness about the wine now.
Yeah, real sour.
Where's that nice, slightly sweet fruit gone?
Yeah.
I wonder if maybe we should move on to something like the mature cheddar and see if that has a better...
Yes.
Well, the protein content in the cheddar, that perhaps helped us soften out the tannins in the wine. That really adds a lot of depth to the wine.
Oh, that's delightful. Softens those tannins.
It's a much better solution.
So here we have Catena Cabernet Sauvignon from Mendoza. Is it crying out for a piece of cheese?
I think, yeah, perhaps try it with the cheddar.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Really, really softened the wine out and works very well.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
They're a natural pairing, aren't they?
Certainly. So having tasted quite a lot of wines and sampled quite a lot of cheeses, the winning combinations that we are going to come out with at the end of today seem to be as follows. The goat's cheese certainly is the best marriage with the Sancerre. The blue, the Roquefort we've got here, definitely going to be the dessert wine, the Clos de Vigne. Simply gorgeous. The brie, slightly tricky one, but it comes out best with the Chablis. And finally, the Somerset cheddar certainly marries best with the Chateau La Chesnay from Bordeaux.